Every workplace needs a plan before an emergency happens. OSHA's 29 CFR 1910.38 is the regulation that sets the standard for emergency action plans, or EAPs. Whether you're managing a substation in Texas, a power plant in Arkansas, or a wind site in Oklahoma, this rule defines exactly what must be in place to protect workers. The regulation requires written procedures covering evacuation routes, emergency reporting, and accountability for all employees. It also requires alarm systems training and period review so everyone knows their role. In short, it's not just a binder on a shelf, it's a living plan that saves seconds when seconds count. Across America, energy crews face storms, chemical releases, and electrical hazards. A compliant EAP outlines who calls 911, who shuts down equipment, and where crews regroup. For your OHST exam, remember, an emergency action plan focuses on response procedures, not hazard communication or confined spaces. For the OHST exam, tie this to Domain 5, Emergency Preparedness. When a question mentions evacuation, alarms, or reporting an emergency, think 29 CFR 1910.38. It's OSHA's blueprint for coordination under pressure, and it applies in every workplace. If this quick lesson clarified OSHA's emergency planning rule, hit subscribe and follow Field to Compliance for more OHST study topics, from confined spaces to spill response. Study smart, stay compliant, and protect your crew.